Got it here, another $200 junk door. Let's see what we got. Okay, packaging. Okay, there goes nothing. Looks like there'll be a couple of bags. Let's see. We have a baseball. Ooh, this one is sealed. Nice new baseball. That's at least like what, couple bucks. There's some kind of holder, brand new cards, playing cards. Okay. Ooh, interesting. Is it sterling silver? Let's find out. There's a lot of fakes out there. Wow. There's like an open side of it. Yeah, this looks like just junk jewelry. Junk. And there's more jewelry. Just a bunch of custom jewelry. Oh, cool. Look at that. That's like aluminum dice in this little holder. So unique. Kind of nice and neat, but really bad condition. Okay, more jewelry. This one might be less junk, but you never know till we test it. Let's see. Interesting, it's just like this. Look at that, I've never seen anything like that. So just more custom jewelry, no silver content here. This might be something. That looks like cubic zirconium. So a bunch of junk jewelry. You wanna find 925 at least, and then even then it might be not even silver. More custom jewelry. Ooh, that's what we're looking for. There you go. There's some good stuff. Couple of copper coins. That's cool. Interesting. And then there's a Standing Liberty. That's like $6 smelt value, 1927 and 1928. So nothing of a great value, but just melt value. They're about like $4 each. This one's about 1954 for $5 for a quarter. 1964, that's good, 90% silver. 5 cents. 1947 might be 40% silver. 1957, bunch of junk silver. Copper bar, that's cool. I like it. I like copper bars. They're like, I don't know, 50 cents each, maybe $1, depends. Maybe a couple dollars, I don't know, depends how much is the copper. What we got here? Buffalo nickels, no dates, some dates. With pennies is about 3 cents each. This buffalo, 5 cents, about, I don't know, maybe 5 to 10 cents. That's cool, we separate them. There's a little lighter, nothing vintage about that. And baseball cards. I know something about this is pretty satisfying. Oh, this is about $15, brand new. Elkridge. I really like the quality. That's about $30. It's brand new, very hefty. Okay, a lot of newspaper. North Carolina t-shirt over here. Compressed, interesting. More baseball cards. Watch. Some watches over here, quartz. More custom jewelry. This side here, sewing cup, and some people collect them so that way you don't poke your finger. What is this? It says $58. Let's see. Ooh, there you go. Sterling silver, 14 karat gold plated. So it is mostly silver. Gold plated is pretty much nothing. You know, I worked at Walmart, the jewelry department. Yeah, this is pretty much where it come from. These little things, that's what they look like. And there's tiny little diamonds that is worth not a lot. I mean, it says $58. That's how much they would sell them at Walmart. 1/10 carat genuine diamond. Yep. And people buy them all the time. I work at Walmart, people buy those things non-stop. Okay, wow, this one is cool. That looks like silver 925, but not sure. So like some cool custom jewelry right here. It's not silver or anything. Okay, what's in here? I love opening presents like that. Ooh, that's cool. Not sure if it works, but this is Canon. Oh my gosh, that is unique. A little bit dirty, and the solar panel over here cracked. I wish it worked. I doubt it's going to work. But you know, that's why junk drawers, because some things don't work. I wonder how much Canon calculator costs like that actually works. Interesting. What is this? Ooh. You know what's funny? Some of this vintage perfume cost a lot of money. But it'll have to be Chanel or one of those really famous perfumes. I don't know nothing about this one. It's really hard to tell what it is. What is in here? Oh my gosh, a diamond. So one of those glass diamonds. That's cool. Ooh, more treasure. That's a treasure is like priceless right here. I love it. I mean, there's a price for it, but you know what I mean. Gold and silver is pretty awesome. Okay, there's some money in here. There's a $1. There's a mercury dime. That's like $1.50. Couple of silver quarters. 926. So nothing rare dates. You always want to check dates. I think there's 26. Because if it's a rare and a bad condition, it will be collectible. And there's some buffalo nickels. Oh my goodness, I used to have a set for this one. This is zombified copper $50. That's actually worth a little bit more than this ones, because they're collectible, they're part of the set. Some people like it. Nice. 1 ounce fine silver, 3/9 RMG. I'll be careful with bars like that. Sometimes you gotta make sure they're not fake. We'll test it. But that's right here, $21 in itself. Or 22, depends on the spot. 1937, some unique dates. Will be fun to collect. But the quality is really bad. 1942. But $5 each. Junk silver. 50 копеек. So this is not really sure what country that is actually. Indian head, 1 cent, 1901. Nothing rare about that. So this is like pretty awesome, but I don't know, maybe 30 cents each. With pennies, 3 cents each. Wow, look at that one. This one is cool too. And the quality is so nice. It's a copper shark. Megalodon shark. That is beautiful. I might collect all these copper coins now that I'm getting so many of them. There's another one. So there's a lot of value in silver and coins. Separate them so that way it's easier. 1936. Ooh, watches. Rolex. Come on. Gate Azor, something like that. Oh, a bunch of pins. Pins are cool. Don't really know anything about pins. Doesn't look like anything super collectible, but when you have a pile, you could probably sell them for something. The watch is actually working. That is nice. I don't know nothing about watches, but it's cool that they are working. Both of them are running. Ooh, master lock. You can press search and scan the barcode, and sometimes it will recognize it. And it is $7 to $6 for 3 for 25. So I'd say like the silver bar is awesome. Very unique copper bars. Probably gonna build up a little collection now. 6 quarters. So that's like right here, $30, $50. That's another $30. That's probably another right here, $10 at least. There's $1 in itself. And you know what? $58 in. And a whole bunch of goodies. I'll have to separate it. But you know what? It's a lot of cool value in here for sure. Definitely explore some more junk doors. Hopefully we'll find something very unique and rare one day. But there's also a lot of interesting, unique stuff too.